Okay, so we finished optimizing it, and now this is part 2, so you're going to hit download PDF, right? And this will allow you to proceed to the next stage. So now you have that. So now use on job application. So you're going to hit go to job application. It's going to upload it. Now have AI generate your cover letter for you. You can preview it. You can generate a new version. Preview it once more. If you want to make edits yourself, you can also do that. So you can see, you can go in and just say, okay, we don't need any of this. You can hit save edits, and then you can use the cover letter. Okay, now you go and complete the rest of this application as you normally would, and then you would hit submit application. And that is how you leverage the job board and can submit applications directly from the Swooped platform, helping you customize your resume to the job description as well as your cover letter. And honestly, that was probably under 10 minutes. Thanks.